I'm so excited. I'm going to the biggest scout camp in Sweden of this year. I'm going to Jamboree22. I'm going to be an official or a volunteer. The car is fully packed. Apparently the cat wants to be in it too. I've never had this much packing to any camp. It's mostly technical stuff, cameras, computers, that kind of stuff. I'm having my own activity on the Jamboree. And this is sort of behind the scenes of that activity. So in the coming days, I hopefully can sort of give you a video update every day. I don't know if I'm possibly going to do that, but so the content on my channel for the coming days will be focused on Jamboree and behind the scenes and stuff like that. Tag along for the ride if you want to.